What we're going to show you how to do is how to remove the top dash on this Mini Cooper S convertible to access the cast module, which is located right behind the top dash here. First step you're going to want to do is remove the sun visors. You're going to have 2 Phillips screws per sun visor. Next, we remove the 2 side pillars going up to the top. You'll just unclip, pull it upwards, and you can disconnect the speaker. Now we can continue on to the front parts here. We're going to remove the side vents on both sides, as well as the trims and the glove box. To remove the RPM reader here, there's 2 torque screws from the back. We're going to unscrew this to allow to remove this little wood panel here. We just move it off to the side. Now we're going to remove this panel, which you're going to pull from the back. You can use a right angled pick as well to pull off all 4 corners. Once this wood trim is removed, we can replace this RPM clock here. Just slide it back in, it'll hold in there. Now we've got some torque screws all the way around the top dash that we're going to remove as well. We got one to the right of the RPM clock and one to the left. To remove the side vent here, you've got a screw from the top, which is hard to get to. I just use a little right-angled key. You can use your 1/4-inch key with a Torx bit on it. Once you get it turned a couple of turns, you can start turning it by hand. Now we've got this side panel here to remove as well. Just unclip it with your plastic tool. Pull that out. 1 torque screw from the side as well. We got one up top here that missed it. We got two on the side here. And the side cover will come out. Next, we've got the center plastic piece here over the speedometer. To access the screws, we're gonna open up the top glove box by just pushing on the wood panel here. We got some plastic trims to remove, as well as 2 screws on each side to remove it. We're gonna remove these 2 screws, and then we're gonna move over to the passenger side to remove all the extra parts.